Hello, students. Today we are starting with social media marketing strategy. So many classes we have been discussing social media, and we have seen what are the different channels available. What is content creation in social media? What is social media campaigning? What is social media tracking? What is social media marketing? So today we'll study a little bit about strategy, which I have already covered this thing in our last classes, but once again we will have a repeat on it. What is the strategy? You all know the distinct plan which make your business success and keep you outstanding or unique from others. That is all about the strategy, which gives the result. A strategy is not at all a strategy which will not give you the results or accomplish the goals. If you can't get the profit out of it, that is not called as a strategy. You have studied this in your strategic management subject in second semester. So before you drive in, write in and publish something on social media, let's take a step back and look at a bigger picture. The first step is to think about your social media strategy. So whenever you go, whenever do whatever you make a plan, right? But plan should be something unique. So the if plan is having some uniqueness in it, and in that you can that is strategy. So we follow steps when we are making strategy. So let's see some of the steps we go for. So whenever you want to create any social media marketing strategy, so these are the questions, 5Ws that has to be asked. So why do you want to be on social media? First of all, that is the question. We will see one by one. And second question is, who is your target audience for whom you are making this social media marketing? What are you going to share with the public or with the social media users? What are you going to share? That is again important. So where are you going to share? Again, that is important. When are you going to share? That is the timing is again important. So we'll see one by one. So let's commence it. So social media marketing strategy, you all know, we have seen this, where we can get into more than this also. YouTube is available. Facebook marketing, Insta marketing, Twitter marketing, LinkedIn marketing. So different type of businesses, different type of uses of the platforms that can be used for marketing the product. So first question, what does your business want to be on social media? Why exactly you want to be in there in social media? So the very first question always comes, that is why. Why exactly you want to be on social media? So obviously there can be several reasons come up. So first of all, the question comes, the social media goals should be prepared. We have seen this, how goals will be prepared. And are you on social media to promote your product? That is again question, or else you have to create it. Again, if you create it, you should have some followers to it. So to drive traffic to your website. So what exactly your plan? How you are going for it? And to serve your customer, how exactly you are planning for it? So there are some 9 social media goals you can have with you. First is increase brand awareness. That is your first goal. That might be. And how brand awareness created, you all know it. Okay. And second is drive traffic to your websites. How, what content will attract, how you are taking them into your website. We have seen how SEO works, how the content works. Okay. How say click through it, click works, and how bookmarking works. We have seen this. Third is generate new leads. You can do that. If you want to create a new leads in the sense, new sales. Grow revenue by increasing signups and sales. That can be done. Boost brand engagement. People should, social media users should engage with you. Build a community around your businesses. That also can be done. MI Club, I told last classes, Lenovo Club, Dell Club, even the Hindu newspaper club, Times of India. So all are available. Provide social customer services, increase mentions in the, listen to conversation about your brand, what they comment. That also you can use it. You will like to have more than one social media goal, and that's fine. That can be go well. We have seen always we should have a multiple goal setting. We have seen in integrated marketing communication that always you should go for multiple goals when we are going for the marketing strategy. So great focus on just a handful of goals unless you have a team that matters. So where different people or groups within the team can take on a different goals. For example, if you see at Buffer, the marketing team uses social media both to increase our brand awareness and drive traffic to our content, while our advocacy team uses social media to provide timely customer support. Now, this is multiple goals handled by in the team member with the different what do you call aspects of social media. So next month comes is who is your target audience? That is the most important part. Once we have decided the goals, now who exactly the question. So once you have figured out your why, the next thing you consider is your target audience. So exactly which is the niche you want to target. So this helps you more easily answer the following questions on what, where, and when you are going to share it. Because once you come to know who are exactly your target customer, the characteristics, if you come to know, the attribute you will come to know, then you will come to know what, where, and when. So if a travel and lifestyle brand like Away knows that its target audience loves to read about new places, because obviously everyone wants to know the new places. So travel tips, it could share such content on its social media profiles. This is the best place to visit. This is the cheapest place to visit. This is a heaven on the earth. This is not explored a place in India, this and that. That new picture can be, they can use as a content, but that can act as a to the target audience. So the great exercise to try here to build marketing persona. There are many different ways of building marketing personas. So here are the ways which you can use. Who are they? Job title, age, gender, salary, location. That can be done. Okay, that is all about the customers' demographic information. What are they interested in that you can provide? Whether they are interested in entertainment, educational content, case studies, methodology, information, new products. Even I sign, you can subscribe. If you go to Facebook, there are Harvard University cases. That also you can access small cases if you just like it and follow it. That also available. So it depends on your interest, what exactly you follow. Where do they even Excel sheet? If you follow Excel hacks, Excel formulas, there you can go. That is all educational content. With that, you can get into training, spoken English, career guidance, career enhancement. So these all things always come. Especially LinkedIn, you will get this. Okay. So where do they usually hang out on? Facebook, Insta, or LinkedIn? Where exactly the niche platform that you have to identify. When do they look for the type of content you can provide? So whether the weekends you can go or daily commit, especially weekly, not weekly, especially most of the time weekly, and every day if you want to go, you can have to go evening basis because the most access is on evening basis. Why do they consume the content? That is again important for their better job, to become healthy, to stay update with something. So these are all things you need to understand. According to that, that will be targeted. So how do they consume the content? Read social media posts, watch videos, go to YouTube, or else how? How exactly? So if you come to know these all questions, so easily you can target your customers. Third comes, what are you going to show? This is again important. Once you know goals, next you know target customer. The third, most important, what exactly you are going to show. So this is all about the type of content you want to publish, whether videos you would like to go for or images you would go for. So that totally depends on. Okay. So we are talking about your social media marketing strategy here. So let's take a step back and think on higher level instead of types of content to share. Theme might be a better word. So you just see Hackberry, an outdoor and adventure brand. This is an US brand. US brand. So shares their editorial content and high quality photos of outdoors on their Facebook profile. So ultimately, they themselves are marketing themselves and how they are sharing, then creating the interest on it. So Borrow, a luxury Kutch brand, mostly shares memes on their Instagram profile. That is again be used. I think yesterday Shahid shared one thing on his status regarding the Fevicol brand of Coca-Cola, Mazboot Jod. Okay, that is how impact. So that is a meme that can be used. Even Zomato has used the same thing. When Rahul Dravid's cred ad came out, Indiranagar ka gunda hu main. So then they said our delivery might get delayed because the gunda is creating the traffic jam as a meme part. So that also can be an example. So totally, what are you going to share? That totally depends how you are. Where are you going to share? Yeah, this is most important part. Everywhere you no need to be. You have to target only where you have to. Okay. So all platform are not necessary. Be there where it is suitable for. If you see this example, the still indoor, they are in website, they are at Insta, they are at Business Insider, they are at LinkedIn, they are at Twitter also. So these are things which are, but where you want to be, no need to be all side. You just can be going to somewhere where it's necessary. Again, your understanding of your target audience will come in handy here, because which platform are your target audience most active on? Insta, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. If you are educational, career oriented, you have to target it on LinkedIn networks. No selling part, this part, that can be done social media, and but social media is for everything. Okay. So what makes them visit the platform? Why they are interested in there? So teenagers and young adults might like scrolling through Instagram every day. Not only, I don't think teenager and only adults. I think even elderly people in India also do the same thing. When they are bored to see what their friends are doing or whether their favorite brands have new products, then they just goes on scrolling down, scrolling down, scrolling down. Another a bit smaller thing to consider is what is your brand X factor? So are you great of photography, videos, or handwriting? So a certain platform lend itself well to certain content types. So if you look at Instagram, it's all about photo. Long form of videos, if you want to go, you can go to YouTube, articles on a Medium. So, but this is minor point because social media platform are evolving to provide almost every type of content nowadays. If you small video, you can watch it on even on Insta. If you are interested, you can just click it, continue it. You can watch the full video. That option is also available in Insta. They are improving their best. So when are you going to share it? That is the another question. The least key part of your strategy is figuring out when you want to share your content. I think you are not experienced for this, but whenever we used to do the food festival, okay, we used to share the images at evening time after 5 because most of the people are engaged at that time. So we used to do that particularly that time. I used to tell students, we used to decide even time period. So what happened was in the last food festival, the day we wanted to go for launching our banner, the same day, just it was about, I told all the students don't launch it, and some launched. Again, I shouted on it, they took it back. So when I told them after 5 we are going to launch it, so before we came to know the news that there was an Pulwama attack happened. So that was not the best time to go for this type of shit. So we made wait for 3 days. So after 3 days, we posted it because that was not the perfect timing to share for that particular image or the promotional activity that will be taken in negative. What we did it again is that again the same thing what we did. We contacted TV9 persons. So in that we created a nearby the stage contribute for the Pulwama martyr. So that again we went for it because we have to take it into the consideration. So this is how we went. The timing matters a lot whenever you are going for, but most best timing is always go evening time. People look for evening. So pause and breathe. So let's take a step back and look on this from a higher level again. Before deciding exactly which time of the day and days of the week you want to post, consider the behavior of your target audience. YouTube every day, most of the time. Education, especially if you're targeting, you can go for the daytime. If you're going for the entertainment one, that is the evening time. If you're going for the stress related yoga kind of thing, then you can go for the night and morning time. So where people are exactly looking for such type of things. When do they usually use social media to find the type of content that you will share? So sports fans are likely to on social media just before, during, and just after the sports event to find interact with content about the event. That's what I do. match is going on, just go back to Insta, ICC, just check it, what happened, what results they have given, what are the wickets, that also I can see there very easily. So that would go, or you can go for YouTube. That is my interaction with the sports. Athletes might be on Instagram while they are cooling down after their morning or evening workouts. Okay, every day nowadays you will find that is a joke, that has become a joke. You walk for 8 kilometers, put it on status. You eat something, put it on status. So that is how the trend goes. People who love to travel might be more active on social media during the weekends when they are planning for their next trip. These are the timings which are examples which you can go for. Depend on your business type. That is most important one. So mothers of babies might be scrolling through social media when they are breastfeeding in the middle of the night. So because that is the time they spent on that. So there you can target these mothers, especially on the baby products. That can also be done. And even in afternoon, I might think after 3 o'clock or to 5 o'clock, then also that will be the timing for the mother. So this is regarding today's class. If you have any doubt, you can ask.